I just thought I'd check in real quick, online and in person. How many people have reviewed a local business in the last month? Look at that. That's outstanding. Fantastic. That's, to me, one of the things, I think we talked about it before. I got a financial advisor to literally start reviewing places he loved in the whole area, and within 6 months he had 2 new clients. Just reviewing, and only places he loved, and then going in and say, I want to tell you, I love this place, I'm sorry I didn't get to it sooner, I wrote you a 5-star review, here's what I love about it, you can find it on Google Maps, and then here's my business card, hand it to you. So this is something that's important because you can watch each other's back online, and today we're going to talk a little bit about video, but we want to answer some questions. We got some really exciting progress from people in the room who've started using video, and we want to talk about the latest updates to Google Maps as well. So good to have you here for getting found by customers and doing your own video tips.